By coming to Silicon Valley, this is the hotbed of where all the investors are. This is where you come, this is where you learn. This is where you put what your idea is, put it right out there. Now, by just coming to Silicon Valley to learn, you hear such a wide variety of ideas on how things come to play, how ideas come to market, and how you perfect them.
I believe innovation's in part of mindset, and it's up to each one of us to figure out those 1% innovations that we want to do in everything we do, and the transformative value we can bring to the enterprises, the companies, the ecosystems around us.
Start your network early. Start your networks with your peers, with your teaching assistants. You never know where they're going to end up in the industry. They're always a good baseline, good foundation to start with. And then don't be afraid to reach out to others within your company, others outside. Go to like technology events or whatever industry you're in and meet people. Grow that network. You never know where those paths will take you.